Good morning, students. Today we will study about the third important natural resource, that is land. Land contains the soil. Land plays a very important role in our life, not only in our life, but all plants and animals need soil for their growth or survival. Life cycle of all living things begins from soil and ends in soil. You know that most of the living things live on land, and after the death also they are buried in the soil. Same thing is with the plant. Plants grow, roots of the plants grow deep inside the soil. Okay? Then the photosynthesis process occurs, and thus plants also grow in the soil, and after the death of the plant or the remains of the plants, they are also buried inside the soil to form the fertilizers. So in this way, both plants and animals, that is all living things, are dependent on the land. Food grains that most living things live are grown in the soil. Okay? You know, the agriculture, farming, whatever the food grains we are getting from there, that is nothing but these plants are growing only on the soil. Soil contains nutritious elements as well as bacteria necessary for growing crops. Microbes which are useful to us, these are growing inside the soil. You know, earthworm also buries deep inside the soil, burrows deep, and thus they make the soil fertile. Just like that, some nitrifying bacteria helps to make the fertilizer inside the soil by using some gases just like nitrogen, and thus fertilizers are formed which are necessary for growing crops. Some terrestrial animals including man live on land. Just we discussed it. Some animals dig burrows in the ground for shelter. You know that a mice, rat, etc. snake also live there. This means that we all use land for fulfilling our needs. Okay? We make our houses, roads are there, that is only on land. We make use of plants and animals in the forest that grow only on land. The minerals, crude oil, natural gas obtained from the earth are very important for us. So how we are getting all these minerals, crude oils that are also obtained from the land? It means that land is a very important source for us. But do you know, children? It takes thousands of years for 1 centimeter thick layer of soil to form, but it can be eroded in a few hours. So, we have to use the land, means take care of the land, so that erosion of the soil will not occur. So, that soil, which is very important for us, so we have to take care of the land, and that land, it is present in different layers. If you dig the land, you will observe that it is the layer of this different layers are present. Soil is present in different layers. But if you observe the land, it is not same in all the places. It is uneven. Mountainous area, hilly area, plateau, or valleys are also there. It means in different places the level of the land goes on changing. Come to the page number 6 of the textbook. See here, layers of the mixture of the land, it is shown here. Okay, I will show you this experiment. You just after this you will see that video of the layers of the mixture in the bottle. How can we form? I will show it how to make, but you also try in home to make the different layers. So when the pipeline in nearby your area or somewhere, or for making the building, you know, when the land is dug, at that time you observe that the different layers are there. The lowermost layer contains the big stones, then small stones are there, then again small pebbles, maybe in the form of sand is there, then soil will be there. The upper layer contains the dry leaves. This is a fertile layer. This upper layer is said to be the fertile one. Okay. See here the layers of land, bedrock, it is given where the plant is growing. You are able to see the plant which is growing upward. See the picture which is given 1.8. Bedrock, then layer of soil and small rocks. Above that immature soil is there. Then above that soil, a humus is there. Okay. Immature soil contains the soil part and some small rocks. Okay. But mature soil, it is called as a humus. This is about the different layers of the soil. How that mature soil is formed? It is formed by the decomposition of the remains of plants and animal. Just now I told you that it is called as a humus. How that humus is formed in detail, I will explain you later on. It is usually found in dense forest. Okay. Immature soil means where only the soil layers and small rocks are present that contain the worms and insects also. Okay. Below that, big stones are present. Proportion of soil goes on decreasing there as the rocks are bigger in size. The main minerals, whatever the minerals that are necessary for the growth of plant, that are derived from these rocks. That is why soil in different region is different, and whatever the different layers of soils are there, all these different layers of soil are very useful for us, because the rock contains the minerals. Immature soil again after become the mature soil as it goes upper and upper, and thus a mature soil, that is humus, is formed. Okay. In the next video we will see about the formation of soil.